I want to talk to you today about a tool that I have been working on. I call it the nextGen deck. It's basically a tool for QCing nextGen sequencing data. The tool is divided into parts, a front end and a back end. The front end is basically a web app, and the back end is a couple of tools, one written in C and the other one in Ruby, that basically extracts data from BAM files and populates this data into a Redis server. And this is what I'm going to be showing you today in this video. So the front end is this web app that I'm showing you here, and what it does when you load the app, it's basically pull all the data that we have, all the metrics available for the BAMs that we have in the system, and it shows these dot plots displaying a couple of metrics: the percentage of map reads and the percentage of duplicates. You can see how, as we move to through the different dots, we see to what project and subproject this BAM belongs to. And this is the main part of the front end. Now, if we click to any of these BAMs or these dots, what we can see is that the system pulls, the web app pulls all the data from the backend and displays new metrics about the BAMs. We have first the details of the project to which this BAM belongs to, and then we have a little table with more detailed metrics, and then we have some other plots like the insert size distribution, the distribution of coverage, and we have also the mapping quality distributions for read 1 and read 2 in this case, because this is a parent library. In the backend, we do two things. Number one is extracting metrics from the different BAMs that we have available, and number two is uploading all that data into Redis, which is the storage system that I'm using for keeping all my data sets. Now, for this demo, I have already pre-processed or extracted the metrics of all the BAMs. I have done that in a server farm, and once I finish that, I copy over the results of that metric extraction, and I have them already available here in the kernel location in console number 3. Now we can look here at how the file system looks like, and we see that we have many subdirectories and directories that separate the BAMs into different projects. You can here see the resource project, another subproject, and then the sample ID, and then we have all the CSVs that contain the metrics that we have extracted for the different BAMs, and we can look to other subdirectories, and we see that's what we have. So now we have those metrics available. So what do we do next? The next thing is basically using the backend and concretely the load to Redis tool to traverse the file system and populate the Redis server with all the data that we have available. We run that, and it should take some seconds to send all that data to Redis, and that's it. So now we have all that data available in a nice format in Redis. And now what we can do is go back to the front end, reload the system, the app, and then we can explore the new data and look for issues that we may have in our data set prior to start the downstream analysis. And that's it. Just remember that all the source code is available in GitHub. Just check it out and let me know. Thank you. Bye.